The book again?
Okay. This is Dick. Dick. Who's guy could you say Dick? Dick! Everybody stop! Say Dick. Dick. Who say Dick, guys? Good. Katie Buck, could you say Dick? Everybody stop! Everybody stop. Could you, Katie Buck, could you say Dick?
Dick.
Little boy, could you say Dick?
Dick.
Levi, could you say Dick?
Dick.
Danny, could you say Dick? Okay. Dick. One. Oh. Okay. Look. Look. Okay. Oh. 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 Look. Look. Oh. Look. Okay. Zane. Zane. J-A-N-E. Could you say it? Jane?
Jane.
Jane.
All together.
Oh. Jane.
Good job. Okay. Here. Okay. Jane. That's good.
Well, the other. There you go.
Okay. I don't know what this is the next. Is it this one or this one?
That one right there.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. C. 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 Jane. Oh. Jane. Look. 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 Oh, oh, oh. Oh. See? See? See?
Yes.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh. See? Jane. Funny. Funny Jane.
Good job.
Here's the baby. Could you say baby? Baby.
Baby.
Good job. Here's the baby. Is it funny with baby and with an umbrella?
Yeah.
That is
That's
funny.
pretty funny.